Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Mr. Hyde's Cocktail Collection. My name's Eric and today I'll be showing you a modern classic, the Penicillin. So this cocktail is going to be a shaken cocktail. Originated back in 2005 from a bartender named Sam Ross. It's basically a play on another cocktail called a Gold Rush. So it's usually bourbon, lemon, and honey. But instead of bourbon, we're going to be going with scotch today. So blended scotch, we're using Monkey Shoulder. Excellent scotch. Subtle vanilla and oak. So we're gonna go 2 ounces of our Monkey Shoulder blended scotch. And then we're gonna go 1/2 ounce of ginger syrup. So we make our ginger syrup in-house. It's just 1 part ginger juice to 1.5 parts sugar. And a 1/4 ounce of honey syrup. So this one is a 3-to-1 honey syrup. Gotta dilute it a little bit just so that's a little bit more workable. And then lastly, 3/4 ounces of freshly squeezed lemon juice. I'm just gonna shake this up. Serving this up today in a rocks glass. So we're gonna ice it up. Strain. The last final touch is a little bit of a super peated scotch. We're using Lafroig 10 today, but any Islay scotch would work. Just want that nice smokiness. So get your bar spoon and just float a little bit right on top. A nice nuanced smokiness to it. And lastly, we're gonna garnish with nice big lemon peel. And there we go. That's our Penicillin.